Math Magic Adventure, Kids Animation Learning Video. Welcome, young mathematicians, to a magical journey through the world of numbers and equations. Today, we're going to embark on an exciting adventure to learn the basics of math. So, grab your pencils and get ready to explore. Let's start with the most important characters in the math world, numbers. Numbers are like the building blocks of math. They can be big or small, even, odd or even. When you add two even numbers together, what do you get? That's right, another even number. But when you add an even and an odd number, what happens? Let's find out. The answer is always an odd number. Isn't it fascinating? Now, let's dive into addition. Imagine you have 3 apples, and your friend gives you 2 more. How many apples do you have now? Let's add them up together. That's right, you now have 5 apples. Adding is as simple as putting things together. Now, let's talk about subtraction. Imagine you have 6 candies, and you eat 3 of them. How many candies will you have left? Let's subtract them. Exactly, you have 3 candies left. Subtraction helps us find out how much is left after taking away some. Next up, multiplication. Imagine you have 4 boxes, and each box contains 3 toys. How many toys do you have in total? Let's multiply. You have 12 toys in total. Multiplication helps us figure out how many items we have when we have groups of the same size. Last but not least, division. Imagine you have 12 cookies, and you want to share them equally among 4 friends. How many cookies will each friend get? Let's divide. Each friend will get 3 cookies. Division helps us share things equally among a group. And there you have it, young mathematicians. We've explored the world of numbers, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. With these magical tools, you can solve all sorts of problems and unlock the secrets of the universe. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep counting. Math is all around us, waiting to be discovered. Goodbye for now.